This is the Cordelia light, a 4-fixture design with a nice wood grain pattern on it. The top cover plate goes over a standard light fixture outlet box, so you just need one outlet box, and it provides a base mount for both sides. I do like the fact that even if you have a sloped ceiling, these can be bent to accommodate. When mounting the light, note that the directions don't cover this, but you do need to thread the wire through the downrig extension poles. It's interesting that the directions skip right over this, but you have extension poles, 12 inches long. You can use 1 or 2 of these depending on your ceiling height. Just don't forget to thread that through before you make your connections. In addition to the 2 feet of downrigging from 4 1-foot poles, there are also 4 more 6-inch poles to give you a total of 3 feet of downrigging. And don't forget that there's also 3 inches of downrigging from the ceiling through the canopy to the top of the connector rod there. So whatever it is will be a maximum total of 3 feet 3 inches to the top of the fixture, and then of course down to the lights. For the final thread mount, you'll need to remove the last 3 inches from the nut inside the canopy, as I've done here. Thread it onto the wires, and then run it back to the top of the pole. Screw that in, and then reinsert into the canopy and fasten the whole thing together before raising it up to the light fixture wiring base. So here we are, all attached, the full 3 feet of downrigging and the top canopy ready to hang. All right, once it's up, we're ready to unscrew the base rings and attach the globes. Rescrew the base rings, and we're ready to put in light bulbs and give it a shot. And finished installation, here's what the light looks like over our long dining room table. Very happy with the look, and it's available at the Home Depot.